I will going to teach you types of cell division. There are three types of cell division. First one is amitosis, second one is mitosis, and third one is meiosis. Amitosis, it occur in the unicellular organism. It occur in the old cell. It occur in the abnormal cell, and it also occur in the fetal membrane. This is the simplest type of cell division, in which first is nucleus elongate and it divide, and then there is a division of this cytoplasm. Means karyokinesis means division of nucleus. It is followed by cytokinesis and formation of two cell occur. The simplest type of cell division is amitosis. Second one is mitosis. It occur in the somatic cell or body cell. It is responsible for growth. This mitosis, it also responsible for repairment of the body. Means suppose any wound it occur, at that time that wound heals and that skin cell, suppose it is on your skin, that skin cell again they are produced, and they are produced due to the mitosis. It is also called as equational division, because this parent cell produce daughter cell which are exactly identical to this parent cell, or clones are produced due to the mitosis. This mitosis occur in haploid as well as diploid cell. Haploid means containing half number of chromosomes. Suppose in human cell 46 chromosomes are present, and gamete contain the 23 chromosomes. Means diploid number of chromosome is 46 in human, and haploid number it is the 23, containing half number or half set of chromosome. Here mitosis, when the cell is in resting phase, it is interphase. There is a chromatin reticulum. I already explained you this chromatin reticulum and its packaging in previous video. At the end of this video, I will send a link to you. Then second phase is prophase. Interphase. The first phase is prophase. During this prophase, this chromatin reticulum resolves a definite shape of chromosome, or chromosome appear, or chromatin reticulum get condensed to form chromosome. Here, this is the chromatin reticulum. It get condensed and it form this chromosome. When it occur during the prophase. Then this nucleolus, nuclear membrane start disappearing during the prophase, and spindle fiber they start appearing during the prophase. Remember the changes which occurred during that phase. Prophase, nuclear membrane, nucleolus start disappearing, then chromatin reticulum get condensed to form chromosome. Then during the metaphase, this chromosome they get arranged at the equator. They are shortest and thickest, and in this phase this centromere split, and next phase is the anaphase. It is also called as separating phase. This sister chromatid means chromatid of the same chromosome called as sister chromatid. This one and this one, they are called as, this one is the sister chromatid of this part. This sister chromatid, they get repelled to opposite pole or goes to opposite pole due to contraction of the spindle fiber. The spindle fiber contract and this sister chromatid move towards the opposite pole. This is the separating phase, which is also called as anaphase. Then last phase is the telophase. Changes exactly opposite to the prophase. Here nuclear membrane, nucleolus start disappearing. Here they start appearing. Here chromatid get condensed to form chromosome. Here chromosome get uncoiled to form chromatin reticulum. First, there is a karyokinesis, means two nuclei they are formed. Division of nucleus is called as karyokinesis. These 4 pages are there. Then there is a division of cytoplasm, and this is called as cytokinesis. There is difference between division of cytokinesis in plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall is laid down. It is from centers to periphery. That is centrifugal. While in animal cell, it is centripetal. There is formation of furrow like this. And then there is a cytokinesis. From periphery to center. This is difference between the cytokinesis of plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell it is centrifugal, while in animal cell it is a centripetal and formation of cell furrow. That furrow get deepened and 2 cells they are produced in the animal cell. This is the mitosis. Means from single cell 2 daughter cells are produced, which are exactly identical to the parent cell. Then next one is meiosis. Here I will introduce only you, then I will describe it in next video. Meiosis. It is the reductional division. Reductional division means chromosome number get reduced to half. Here there are 2 chromosomes, but in daughter cell only 1 chromosome is there. So chromosome number get reduced to half. For example, if human cell contain 46 chromosome, then its daughter cell contain, after meiosis, daughter cell contain only 23 chromosome. This is the meiosis. While in mitosis, equational, 46 cell, if cell contain 46 chromosome, daughter cell contain 46 chromosome. In meiosis, 4 daughter cell they are produced, but they are not identical to the parent cell. See here, 2 chromosomes are there. One is blue, other one is red. But here each daughter cell receive different types of genetic material. That is, one contain blue, one contain half blue, half red, half blue, and one contain red. Means this daughter cell they are not identical to the parent cell, and they are not identical to each other. They are different from each other. So variation occur in the individual. Here meiosis occur in the reproductive cell or germ cell. It occur during the time of reproduction. So we are not identical to our parent or our brother or sister. They are not identical to us due to this meiosis. Organism, though we are human being, we are different from each other due to meiosis. It is responsible for variation and it maintains the chromosome number of constant. Friends, these are the 3 types of cell division. Again we revise. The first one is amitosis, simplest type which occur in unicellular organism. Mitosis, it occur in all higher organisms. It is also called as equational division. One parent cell produces 2 daughter cells. It consists 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. It occurs in diploid as well as haploid cell. Then meiosis, it occurs only in diploid cell. It occurs in the reproductive cell. Here, one parent cell produces 4 daughter cells containing half number of chromosome, and this cell, they are not identical to the parent cell. They are different from parent cell. Suppose, and this parent cell contain two sets of chromosome. Here daughter cell contain half. Here parent cell contain two set. If contain two set, daughter cell contain two set. If the parent cell contain half, it contain half number of chromosome. And friends, this topic is very important for the 12th also. So study it very carefully and see all the types of cell division. And I will also add this figure on my blog, and I will add link of that blog, and as well as video which are connected to this topic, that is packaging of chromatin material, then meiosis, structure of nucleus, eukaryotic nucleus. Please see all this, and due to this you will feel biology very easy subject. First see the video, then see the animated videos which are available on the YouTube, and then read the topic. And if you are having any difficulty, please again see the video. And due to this, you will score more and more in biology, in competitive exam also and in your board exam also. Thank you, friends.